The Yamaha R7 is a fully fared supersport motorcycle that blends aggressive styling with practical performance, designed to appeal to both new and experienced riders. Introduced as part of Yamaha's R-Series lineup, it slots between the entry-level R3 and the track-focused R6/R1 models. The R7 is powered by a 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from the Yamaha MT-07, which is known for its torquey and responsive nature. This engine uses a crossplane crankshaft design that provides a unique exhaust note and linear power delivery, producing around 72 to 74 horsepower and about 67 Nm of torque. It's liquid-cooled and features a 270-degree firing order, contributing to a characterful and engaging riding experience. The chassis of the R7 is built on a lightweight frame with a narrow profile, making it ideal for cornering agility and rider control. Its curb weight is approximately 188 kilograms, giving it a nimble feel. Suspension duties are handled by a fully adjustable 41mm inverted KYB front fork and a link-type rear monoshock, also adjustable for preload and rebound damping. This setup offers a balance between street comfort and track capability. Braking is handled by dual 298mm front discs with radial-mounted 4-piston calipers and a single rear disc, supported by standard ABS for added safety. In terms of design, the Yamaha R7 carries the aggressive R-Series DNA with a central LED headlight flanked by LED position lights, aerodynamic fairings, and a sharp tail section. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs promote a sporty yet relatively comfortable riding posture compared to more extreme supersports. The bike also features a full-color LCD instrument cluster that displays key information such as speed, gear position, RPM, fuel level, and more. Yamaha has engineered the R7 to be approachable for everyday riders while still delivering a sporty, track-capable experience. It's often praised for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and fun factor, making it a popular choice for those looking to step up from beginner bikes or wanting a middleweight sport bike that isn't intimidating. The R7 also comes with optional accessories such as quickshifter, race kits, and cosmetic enhancements. It complies with Euro 5 emission standards and is available in multiple color options, often including signature Yamaha blue, black, and other limited editions depending on the market. Subscribe my channel.